Hi everyone, so today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 70, climbing stairs. So this is a easy tagged question, but this question can be solved with multiple ways. For example, a few will solve, try to solve that using the recursive method. A few will try using the dynamic programming, right? So and brute force, of course, is a way to solve that as well. So uh, you know I would prefer using the dynamic programming, but while solving this question, I noticed there is a pattern with this question, and that pattern exactly resembles with the uh, Fibonacci series. You know, so in the Fibonacci series, the concept of Fibonacci series is that the sum of an I, like the ith element, will be equal to the sum of I minus one and I minus two element. Okay. So I'm going to use that same logic over here, and I will be linking a video from other channel in which there is a very beautiful explanation of the dynamic programming and the recursive logic as well. So I'll highly recommend that to go to that channel and just understand how beautiful this question is. So like first, like I saw a base condition where if number of stairs is less than 3, we can simply return n as the result. Okay, next what I want is I want to initiate my DP, like a dynamic programming array with 0 1 2 3. These are the base elements. For example, like if we have 0 steps, we're gonna take 0 steps. If there are only one step, there will be a single way. With 2 steps, we are gonna get 2. Okay, this is what exactly what we have, the base condition we have entered at the top, and at the last I'll just write a loop from 3 to n plus 1. Okay, and I will be just adding, as I told you, like the sum of ith, like the ith element in Fibonacci series is equals to sum of I minus 1th element plus I minus 2th element. Okay, and in the last we just have to return the nth index of the TP array which we have created. So the test cases got passed successfully. Let's uh, yeah, submit for further evaluation. Yeah. So the solution got accepted successfully, and yeah, that's it. And don't forget to visit the link which I'll be putting in the in the tag at the above, or in the comment section as well, in the in the description as well. So thanks a ton guys for watching the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Thank you.